Hey everyone, so just taking a short break from filming in here in the new Sin City Beach Bar, Miller's Beach Bar. Absolutely amazing. Advantage, you see, she's got herself a decent glass of Baileys. I've, oh, well, great, sorry there guys. Got myself a Coke there. €8 was it?
And free shot.
€8 and a free shot of Sex on the Beach, is it?
Which is a bit lethal.
So, if I get drunk, blame the tout. He invited us in. But yeah, free shot of Sex on the Beach in Miller's Beach Bar.
We're being celebs as well, aren't we?
Yeah.
In the dough.
Being celebs in the day, man. A lot of people ask on Facebook, like, where can you book sort of stag do and hen do activities? The simple answer is come into one of Jade and Frank's bars. Miller's Bar up on Calais Lepanto, or Miller's Beach Bar down here off the Fanti Beach. Just tell them how many there is of you, they sort it out. Or even just drop them a message on Facebook, Frank the Stagman or Jake Benidorm. They sort you out, guys. They are the most lovely people here in Benidorm. So yeah. Well, even if you're just feeling a bit bored and depressed, pop down, have a few bevies in here. It is well worth it. See you in the next one.